സംസാരിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്.
പരിശുദ്ധ ബാവാ തിരുമേനി, ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട യാക്കോബ് റമ്പാച്ചൻ, കേൾക്കാവേ, വൈദിക ശ്രേഷ്ഠരെ, പ്രിയ സഹോദരി സഹോദരങ്ങളെ, കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ സ്നേഹവന്ദനം. I feel that if I speak in English, my talk would be brief. Thank you, Joy, for your introduction. It was a little overcooked. I thank Your Holiness for kindly handing over the memento to me. This is a wonderful piece of art which my wife and I will cherish. I'm extremely grateful to the vicar, the assistant vicars, and members of the managing committee. Something wrong here. Members of the managing committee of our church for their decision to felicitate me on this occasion. It's with a sense of joy and gratitude that I stand before you to accept your felicitations on the conferment of the Lifetime Achievement Award on me by the Dr. MGR Medical University of Chennai. This had been a gift of God to me. It's a gift of God, and not because of any special merit of mine. My father, late Dr. Eddie Varghese, was the personal physician of the legendary Bava Dirumeni Mar Vesalios Georgis II of Kurichi till the demise of His Holiness in 1963. My father was very keen that his three sons should take up the noble profession of medical practice. But those were the days when there was no medical college in the Travancore state. It was a divine providence that I was one among the students who were sponsored by the Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church for admission to Christian Medical College, Vellore. I secured a seat in 1949 amongst stiff competition. Each year, only 35 students were selected on an all-India basis. The sponsored candidate had to sign a bond that he or she shall serve a Christian hospital for a period of 2 years after graduation. During the bond period, I worked in CMC Hospital itself. After completing the postgraduate studies, I was deputed to England on study leave for a period of 2 years for advanced training in specialized fields of orthopedic surgery. Our teachers in Vellore were famous medical missionaries like Dr. Somervell of Neyor, a legendary name in Travancore in those days, Dr. Betts, world-famous thoracic surgeon who flew from United States to the dusty town of Vellore, and many other missionary doctors. Their influence on us was so strong that some of us preferred to remain on the staff of CMC Hospital to serve the people of India rather than take up lucrative jobs that were available in England and America in those days, even to this day it is so. I was the professor and head of the Department of Orthopedic Surgery in 1985 when I took voluntary retirement after serving the hospital for 31 years. In Coimbatore, I started work 25 years ago in the corporate KG hospital where only the wealthy patients could afford the cost of the expensive treatment. Therefore, I chose to work in the Ganga nursing home also with just 17 beds to serve the low-income group of patients. Today, this nursing home has grown into a 420-bedded, internationally well-known specialty hospital. My role in the development of Ganga Hospital was also taken into consideration by the university. Your Holiness, I want to conclude by acknowledging the fact that my entry into the medical profession became possible by the support of the Orthodox Syrian Church, which sponsored me for admission to the medical college. The motto of the college is the biblical verse, "Do unto others as ye would that they should do unto you." Unless you hear the Malayalam version, it's a bit difficult to keep it in mind. മനുഷ്യൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ഇച്ഛിക്കുന്നതെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ അവർക്കും ചെയ്യുവീൻ. I repeat. മനുഷ്യർ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ഇച്ഛിക്കുന്നതെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ചെയ്യുവീൻ. മത്തായിയുടെ സുവിശേഷം 7-ാം അധ്യായം 12th വാക്യം. On this very important occasion, this is important for me, on this very important occasion, I dedicate my prestigious award at the lotus feet of our Baba Tirumeni, the supreme head of the church, and I seek his blessings to enable me to continue serving the sick and the suffering. Thank you. May God bless all of us. Thank you and thank you.